Okay. Okay. Here you go, Donkey Kong, everybody. I'm on the next stage. So I had to jump all this. God dang it. Okay, so anyway, it says jump, jump, jump. Come on, Diddy Kong, you can do it, Diddy Kong. Come on, Diddy Kong. Oh, yeah, yeah. Come on, come on. Yeah. Jump, jump, on, jump, 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 jump. Okay, okay. So anyway, we had to get Donkey Kong. Okay, got Donkey. You got Kong, Donkey Kong. Jump. Okay, that I had to jump all this stupid track again, and it's hard to beat this game. And oh god, oh god, oh my god, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, guacamole. Got it. Oh, got it. Oh no, Diddy Kong, no, we lost Diddy Kong. We gotta beat this game without Diddy Kong. Oh god. Okay, jump, jump. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, gotta get the balloon. Get it, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. Oh my god, it's got Donkey Kong escaped. No! Okay, so I had to beat this game again. Jump, and another jump. Now to beat all the game. What is wrong with you, Donkey Kong and Diddy Kong? You shouldn't be like this, dude. No! No! I lost my banana. No! Diddy Kong! No! That stupid banana. No! Why? Okay, at least I got 99 life left. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it going back and forth. Oh, God! Donkey Kong had to escape again. No, Diddy Kong, you fell off the cliff. Oh my gosh, poor monkey. Okay, so no more falling off cliff, guys. You had to beat this game once and for all. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, homie. I'm gonna. Oh God, Diddy Kong is out to escape again. Go. This stage is really hard, guys. Whoever beat this game, y'all guys. Oh my God. Why? Okay. Uh, okay. Seriously, we gotta take things seriously. No more falling off the cliff. No more. Gotta beat this game. Gotta beat this game. We gotta beat this game. Yes. Gotta beat this game. Oh God! Again, with the crashing each other. Why? Why? Why the crash? Why? God, Diddy Kong, you gotta watch out where you're going. Okay, so we. God, Diddy Kong, you should never seen it. You're oh my God, Donkey Kong, you're so retarded. Oh my God. Are you seriously? Okay, so I didn't even jump yet. It's just, gosh, what's going on? Oh my God. Why are you keep crashing? Okay, okay, no more crashing. Okay, we had to jump. God, what's wrong with my controller? Okay, okay, jump. Oh my God. Okay, okay, okay. One more. It is not gonna pass, I swear. Okay, good. I know my buttons. Come on, you gotta jump. You gotta beat this game and see if I could actually make this game, beat this game without any accidents. So, I cannot drive. Oh my God. How can Diddy Kong, Diddy Kong, you can't even drive either. Like, what is wrong with you guys? God, y'all don't even know how to drive roller coasters? So, yeah. By the way, guys, you hear that? That's kind of like my friend talking in the background. But yeah, yeah. Uh, no. Okay, okay, okay. Hopefully, I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. No, I cannot make it. Dang it. Okay, I thought I can, but it went back to. Okay, okay. No. Wait. What? What? Wait. What? Okay, I thought. Okay, 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 okay. This is no. Wait, I didn't see that coming. I did not see that coming. Okay, okay. Jump, 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 jump. I didn't get the balloon. God damn it, Donkey Kong! You really, 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 Donkey Kong, really? You see, I could fix the volumes. Okay, I did fix the volumes. So I did turn them up. Okay, that'll be better. Headphones out. Play. There you go. Okay, so gotta wipe my eyes, just stretch a little bit, get my hands free. Okay, so anyway, start at the beginning. We got a few minutes on this video, so hopefully I could beat this part of it anyway. If not, then I don't know. I don't really know, but yeah. Let's get it. Jump. Yeah, I'm getting this. I'm getting this. No, I don't got it. Okay, I thought I did. I thought I did. Okay. I still on the safe point. Still on the safe point. And no life has gone low yet. Oh my God. Okay, okay, okay. I did not jump that high. I thought I did, but I didn't. Okay. Jump. Jump. Yeah, yeah. Jump, jump, jump. Nope, nope, no hitting the train tracks part. No hitting the monsters. No, no, no falling. No hitting. No hitting. No. Okay, okay, okay. Time wasting. No. I can't beat it, guys. This is gonna be the last one. Because the time one I have 15, 14, I count down to 10, 9, 8, something, 6, 5, something. Oh God. 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, guys.